Did you know that your memory isn't fixed? That you can train your brain to remember more, recall faster, and even develop a near-photographic memory. Scientists have discovered powerful techniques that can transform the way you process and retain information. Whether you're a student cramming for exams, a professional looking to sharpen your skills, or just someone who wants to remember names, dates, and important details effortlessly, this video is your ultimate guide to boosting your memory. Stick around because we're also revealing a bonus tip at the end that could be a game changer for your brain power. The science of memory, how it works. Before we dive into practical tips, let's break down what memory is and how it works. Memory is essentially your brain's ability to encode, store, and retrieve information. Neuroscientists categorize memory into 3 types. 1. Sensory memory. This is the briefest form of memory, lasting only milliseconds, and helps you process information from your environment. 2. Short-term memory or working memory. This allows you to hold small amounts of information for a short period, like remembering a phone number just long enough to dial it. 3. Long-term memory. This stores information indefinitely and is further divided into explicit memory facts and experiences and implicit memory skills and habits. But how do we improve memory? Let's look at the latest research and some incredible strategies. Latest research on memory enhancement. Let's explore 3 groundbreaking studies that provide fascinating insights into memory enhancement. 1. The impact of sleep on memory 2023. Harvard University. Researchers at Harvard found that deep sleep, especially REM sleep, plays a critical role in memory consolidation. Participants who got 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep performed 30% better on recall tests than those who were sleep deprived. Takeaway: prioritizing good sleep is one of the most effective ways to enhance memory. Power naps of 10 to 20 minutes can also give an instant memory boost. 2. The role of exercise in memory retention. 2024, University of California, Berkeley. A recent study from UC Berkeley found that individuals who engaged in aerobic exercise, like jogging or cycling, for 30 minutes daily showed a significant increase in hippocampal volume, the part of the brain responsible for memory. Takeaway: moving your body improves your brain's ability to store and retrieve memories. Regular exercise increases blood flow to the brain, promoting neurogenesis growth of new brain cells. 3. The effect of mindful meditation on memory 2024. Stanford University. Stanford researchers discovered that just 10 minutes of mindful meditation daily can improve working memory capacity by 20%. Participants who practiced mindfulness also showed better focus and reduced stress, which are key factors in memory retention. Takeaway: practicing mindfulness and deep breathing exercises can significantly improve memory function and recall speed. Practical strategies to enhance memory. Now that we understand how memory works and the latest research, let's dive into actionable steps you can take today to boost your memory. 1. The storytelling technique. Our brains are wired for stories. When you link information to a story, it becomes easier to remember. Example: instead of remembering a grocery list as separate items, create a story like an apple rolled into a loaf of bread, knocking over a carton of eggs, which spilled onto a block of cheese. 2. The Memory Palace method, the method of loci. Used by memory champions worldwide, this technique involves visualizing a familiar place, like your home, and placing items you want to remember in specific locations. Example: if you need to remember a speech, imagine walking through your house, associating different sections with different points of your speech. Chunking information. Our brains can only hold 5 to 9 pieces of information at a time, so breaking information into smaller chunks makes it easier to recall. Example: instead of remembering a long number like 879,234,567, break it into chunks. 879,234,567. 4. The power of association. Connect new information to something you already know. Example, if you meet someone named Lily, picture them holding a bouquet of lilies. 5. Use of mnemonics and acronyms. Mnemonics help encode information into an easier-to-recall format. Example, to remember the order of operations in math, use PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, subtraction. 6. Practicing active recall. Instead of passively rereading material, actively recall the information without looking at notes. Example, after reading a chapter, close your book and try to summarize the key points out loud. 7. Spaced repetition, the forgetting curve hack. Based on the Ebbinghaus forgetting curve, reviewing material at increasing intervals helps solidify memories. Example, review new information after 1 hour, then a day later, then a week later. 8. Playing brain training games. Apps like Lumosity and Elevate challenge your brain with fun exercises that improve memory. Example, try Sudoku, crossword puzzles, or memory card games. Lifestyle habits for better memory. 1. Eat brain-boosting foods. Omega-3 foods like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds enhance cognitive function. Blueberries contain antioxidants that protect brain cells. 2. Reduce stress and anxiety. Chronic stress impairs memory. Practicing deep breathing, yoga, or listening to relaxing music can help. 3. Stay socially active. Engaging in conversations and social interactions helps strengthen neural connections. 4. Limit multitasking. Focusing on one task at a time improves information retention. The 5-second visualization trick. Before trying to memorize something, close your eyes and visualize it for just 5 seconds. This small habit forces your brain to create a mental snapshot, dramatically improving recall speed. Boosting your memory isn't about working hard, it's about working smarter. By incorporating these science-backed techniques, you can improve your ability to retain and recall information effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite memory trick. Until next time, keep training your brain.